In this video, we'll be filling up I am Sirmaur form. The last date for I am Sirmaur program is 31st of March. So let's go to this. Again, click on the link that is given to you and you can create an account initially. So once you click on create account, it will ask you to enter your email ID and make a password. Confirm that. Click on register now. Once you click on register now, it will start your application process. You can click on the dashboard part or the select program part. Now, there are a lot of options here. We need to select the BMS program. There are two again. One is international students. The other is the normal Indian domestic students. So click on apply now under the BMS program. Now, once you click on this, it will ask you to enter your name. So let me just write down all the details. I've entered the name. You can enter the birth date, nationality Indian, name as per Aadhaar, mobile number registered with Aadhaar. It may or may not be the same, so you can just enter that. The name, parent contact number, country, okay, India, Gujarat, state, district as Ahmedabad, post office, let's say Thaltej, 3800, pin code. Then the address in detail. You can enter the emergency contact name, contact number again, and address. It may or may not be same. Then religion, category, general, no, blood group, B plus. Here you'll have to enter your bank account number, name of the account, IFSC code. So you can enter that. Once you have entered that, if you once you've entered all the bank details, any condition you can mention that here and then start uploading your Aadhaar. And so let's upload the photo first. Once you enter your photo, Aadhaar, bank details, and sign, you can just click on save and continue. Remember, the eligibility is 60% in both 10th and 12th. So you are eligible to fill only if you have that. Enter your academic details now. So Uttam School, CPSC 2024, percentage for 10 marks, it's about 75 out of 500, 95%. And then upload your mark sheet here. So here you can write your school name, the board, year of passing will be 26. You can just leave it because then you have to upload this at a later stage. And then just click on save and continue. So in this, you can just clear the entry since we have appearing in 12th. So we'll leave this blank and just click on save and continue. It will save your data and then select IPMAT, your number. You can enter your IPMAT form. Once that is done, your details are all entered. So now you can just go to the payment part. So in before the payment, you will have to add two references. So let's say I'm entering the references. You can enter the references of any of your professors or teachers. Or you can enter your school's head of the department or principal and then click on next. Once that is done, it will take you to the payment. You can preview it and then click on proceed for the payment. Once that is done, you will be able to make the payment to this. So you will get a page where you need to accept your undertaking and then save and proceed to the payment. So once you save and proceed to the payment, it will get you to the application fees, which is 1,000 rupees for this. So this is it for I am Sirmaur form. Thank you all of you.